Ever wondered what this buzz about cryptocurrency is all about? It seems like a riddle wrapped in a mystery inside an enigma, doesn't it? Well, let's start peeling back the layers. Cryptocurrency, in its simplest form, is digital money. But unlike the money you see in your bank account, it's decentralized. That means there's no central authority, like a government or a bank pulling the strings. Cryptocurrency operates on something called blockchain technology, a kind of digital ledger that records transactions in a transparent and unchangeable way. Secured by cryptography, it's like a digital fortress protecting data from prying eyes, and it's not just a passing fad. With roots tracing back to the 80s and gaining significant traction with the creation of Bitcoin in 2008, cryptocurrency is disrupting traditional financial systems and could potentially reshape our economic future. So, brace up as we are about to demystify this digital enigma. Let's break it down further. Cryptocurrency is like digital or virtual money, but with a twist. It's secured by something called cryptography, a fancy term for complex codes that are incredibly hard to crack. This makes cryptocurrency nearly impossible to counterfeit or double spend, which is a pretty cool feature, if you ask me. Now, what sets cryptocurrency apart from traditional money is, again, this thing called decentralization. To elaborate, picture this: instead of one big bank or government controlling all the money, with cryptocurrency, control is spread out across a network of computers. It's like having a bunch of mini banks all working together in a format, again, called blockchain technology. It's a kind of digital ledger that records all transactions made with a particular cryptocurrency. And the best part? Once information is put in the blockchain, it can't be changed. It's transparent, it's immutable, and it's public. Kind of like your embarrassing yearbook photos, but way more useful and a lot less cringeworthy. So if we put it all together, we get this cryptocurrency, a new form of digital asset. Now let's take a closer look at the blockchain. It's based on a network that is distributed across a large number of computers. It's secured by uncrackable codes, and its transactions are recorded in a transparent and unchangeable digital ledger. Cryptocurrency, therefore, is a digital asset based on said network. Now, you might be wondering, where did all this start? Well, let's take a trip down memory lane. The concept of cryptocurrency can be traced back to the 1980s, but it was only in 2008 that the journey truly began. Enter Bitcoin, the brainchild of an anonymous individual or group known as Satoshi Nakamoto. Bitcoin, the first ever cryptocurrency, was created as a response to the financial crisis of 2008 with the aim to create a decentralized form of currency, free from government control and manipulation. As mentioned previously, this was achieved using the blockchain. The decentralization of Bitcoin, with no governing authority, was a revolutionary concept that set the stage for the crypto boom. Following the creation of Bitcoin, the world witnessed the emergence of other cryptocurrencies, with Ethereum being one of the most notable. Introduced in 2015 by Vitalik Buterin, Ethereum took the blockchain technology of Bitcoin and expanded upon it, introducing the concept of smart contracts and making way for the creation of other cryptocurrencies through its platform. And how are these cryptocurrencies generated, you ask? Through a process known as mining. Miners use powerful computers to solve complex mathematical problems, and when they do, they're rewarded with cryptocurrency. It's like a high-tech treasure hunt, but instead of shovels and maps, miners use GPUs and electricity. From the creation of Bitcoin in 2008 to the multi-billion-dollar market it is today, the world of cryptocurrency has seen exponential growth. Today, there are thousands of different cryptocurrencies, each with their own unique features and uses. In a nutshell, the world of cryptocurrency has been expanding at a rapid pace since its inception. It's a fascinating journey, one that's still very much in progress. So buckle up, because this crypto train is showing no signs of slowing down. Like every coin has two sides, so does cryptocurrency. Now let's dive into the world of cryptocurrencies and look at the good, the bad, and the downright unpredictable. On the bright side is the fact, since cryptocurrencies are not governed by any central authority, like a bank or government, there is a level of freedom and control over your own money that's not possible with traditional forms of currency. Also, with the blockchain technology that underpins them, every transaction is transparent and immutable. It's like having a public ledger that anyone can verify but nobody can alter. This creates a system of trust, even among complete strangers. Another advantage is the potential for high returns. Cryptocurrencies have been known to skyrocket in value overnight. Imagine waking up to find that the few digital coins you bought for a pittance are now worth a small fortune. That's the kind of financial windfall that dreams are made of. But it's not all roses and sunshine in the land of digital currency. The volatility of cryptocurrencies can be a double-edged sword. Yes, the value can shoot up dramatically, but it can also plummet just as swiftly. This makes it a high-risk investment that's not for the faint of heart. Cryptocurrencies can also be misused for illicit activities. Their anonymity and lack of regulation make them a preferred medium for transactions in the dark web, funding illegal activities from drug trafficking to money laundering. And then there are the regulatory issues. Governments around the world are grappling with how to deal with this new form of money. Some are welcoming it with open arms, while others are contemplating outright bans. The legal status of cryptocurrencies can change overnight, adding another layer of uncertainty to this already unpredictable market. Despite the risks, the allure of cryptocurrencies as a new investment class is undeniable. The potential for high returns coupled with the promise of a financial system that's free from central control is drawing more and more people into this digital gold rush. Whether you choose to join them is a decision that should be made with care and caution. So, what's next for cryptocurrencies? As we look towards the future, we see the potential for blockchain-based currencies to disrupt traditional financial systems. Imagine a world where transactions are instantaneous, fees are minimal, and financial control resides in the hands of the many, not the few. That's the promise of cryptocurrencies. However, this brave new world isn't without its hurdles. Cryptocurrencies face significant challenges, from regulatory scrutiny to widespread acceptance. Governments around the globe are grappling with how to regulate this decentralized market, and some people are still hesitant to embrace this unfamiliar form of finance. Nevertheless, the momentum behind cryptocurrencies is undeniable. They've come a long way since the birth of Bitcoin in 2008, and their growth shows no signs of slowing. With an estimated market value reaching a staggering $4.94 billion by 2030, it's clear that the crypto revolution is well underway. Cryptocurrencies are not just a trend, they might just be the future of finance. So, are you ready to step into this future? We hope this journey into the world of cryptocurrency was enlightening. We've explored the enigma of cryptocurrency, deciphering its essence as a decentralized digital currency based on blockchain technology and secured by cryptography. This technology traces its roots back to the 1980s, with the birth of Bitcoin in 2008 marking a pivotal moment in its evolution. We've delved into the ABCs of cryptocurrency, highlighting the key players of this digital world. Bitcoin and Ethereum certainly ring a bell now, don't they? We've uncovered the process of mining, the concept of exchanges, and the significance of digital wallets. We've also navigated the complex terrain of pros and cons that come with dealing in cryptocurrencies. The advantages are enticing, the potential is immense, but the risks are real and cannot be overlooked. It's a bit like a roller coaster ride, thrilling yet intimidating. Looking ahead, we've discussed the future of cryptocurrency. The market is projected to reach a staggering $4.94 billion by 2030. But, as with any financial venture, the path is not without its hurdles. The fate of cryptocurrency, especially in countries like India, hangs in the balance with speculation of potential bans. In this ever-evolving world of finance, understanding cryptocurrency is akin to holding a key to the future. It's an exciting journey full of potential and challenges. So why not hop on this ride and explore with us? To keep up with the latest developments and continue learning, hit that subscribe button. Remember, understanding cryptocurrency is just the first step into the future of finance. So, stay curious and keep learning. Please share this video with someone else who would like to have crypto demystified. Until next time, keep decoding the future.